Tije bad migao mar thieth mochung'ne timo nonro mag thieth kod lupo manokemri James Mwalumo dwaro mondo riwruoge mag saga oket mwandu e sekta no. Mwalumo koni piny owacho bende ok nyal chopo dwaro mantiere mar dongo chumi kendo loso thuolo moromo mag tije pachoka. Kolese bwa ma Mombasa kindero ma joket mwandu riwruoge mag ohala cooperative societies okoni sekta mar lupo kachiel kod nonro nyalo nyuolo omenda mathoth poni oket maino e sekta no. Joket mwandu bende ojiw mondo oket mwandu gi e lony manyasani kaka yo mar bero chenro mag chwalo chenro mopogore opogore.
To members or rather they are also to remain in competition. We ensure that
na tunatarajia strategic plan ambayo wameweza kulaunch leo itaweza kuwapeleka mbele kwa miaka 5 ambayo inakuja.
Ukiangalia Kenya kwa ujumla kuna hawa young generations tunaita ma Gen Z, saa zingine hawa wanataka services kwa rahisi na wezi wapata kwamba wameenda kutunga line hapo kwenye benki. Kwa hivyo hiyo strategic plan ambayo imefanywa kama imefanya SWOT analysis na imeweka haya mambo ya ambayo itaweza kufanya services as a products ziwe diversified.
Mambo yenye yatafanya hayo yote tuyatimize na pia yako katika strategic plan is to make sure that we have infrastructure and innovation in place. Now here I mean also when I talk about infrastructure, I also mean the human resource. We have to make sure that we have motivated human resource and we have human resource that is answered to the need of the customer.
See the kind of taxation regime which is becoming more and more very restrictive, if I may say. We also see even people who are in employment, the pay slip is being squeezed so much. There are issues like SHA, issues of NSSF and many things like that. So on all fronts, yes, we see a membership that is struggling.